So, how's it going, everyone? Hope everybody's good. Just had Remembrance Day Sunday in the UK, so but Monday back to work. Had Sunday off for a change. Anyway, the days of list and forget on eBay, they're so 2008 now. The dream of a passive income that we could just, or I could just in the past list 50 to 100 items and eventually they'd sell because that's how it worked. Well, not anymore. It's all changed, and it's all changed because no doubt, like us, you've probably got a deaf pile, a stale pile, um, or the charity shop box. Yes, we enter ours back into the ecosystem of reselling and flipping. So we just put all the stuff that we can't sell back into our local charity shop, knowing probably there's going to be some reseller come in and try and buy that and flip that as well. I mean, it's the vicious circle of if that's where you source your goods from charity shops, and sourcing's becoming really difficult at the moment. But those days, or what I used to look at, of list, forget, 300 items, and eventually they'd sell. It's getting more and more difficult. If you look at your listings at the moment, you'll see that lots and lots of them, especially on ours, where we have an average around 500 to 600 listings on the business account a day, they're not getting views. Even if we're just generally promoting them at 2% or 3%, they're just not getting views. And it's that because they're just like a rubbish that nobody wants. Or is it because the whole eBay ecosystem is completely full? The warehouse is full. Everybody's trying to sell everything. And all that's happening is truckloads of stuff is coming in to fill it. And we're bursting at the seams. And buyers, well, their habits are changed. A buyer now, in my opinion, wants the cheapest item delivered the fastest to them, and wants more than what normally you used to give on eBay in the past. You used to be able to just find something, bring it down from the loft, take a quick photograph, put it up, boom, sell it for what it is, something that has been sitting in your loft for 40 years, and now you want to give somebody else a chance to own it. Well, now I think the buyers' expectations have changed, and they want that cleaned, they want that tested, they want that verified, they want that put up, see every single angle of it, a complete War and Peace for Boast description. They want it then shipped fast within 24 to 48 hours if they do buy it. And yeah, that's the way it is. And have we all, or any of us, kept up to date with that? Because I haven't. I'm having to rethink all our strategies now. We're having to go for velocity over quality in some ways, and price over service. Is this what it's all becoming? Because money's tight. Yeah, money is very tight, and we're now finding we're in that race to resell and to maintain what we used to resell at. We're having to lower the prices. Quality doesn't necessarily sell in everything. Of course, quality will sell. If you've got a £90,000 G wagon up for sale, and somebody wants to buy a £90,000 G wagon, they're going to buy a £90,000 G wagon, and quality, in that case, will sell. But if you have got a quality second-hand Breville toaster that's branded and built absolutely brilliantly and great, and probably got another 5 years in it, that's not going to compete with a $9.99 delivered to your door. Order it in the morning, get it in the evening. And that's what's winning with buyers. That's what's making buyers click and making buyers say, I'm spending my money with this. And it's not normally the small traders that are doing it. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below even, so we can all have a discussion about it and see what's going on, and has the passive income dream totally gone from eBay?